Transaction 7. ABC Clothing Company sold t-shirts on account to a customer for $40,000. The company's cost of the t-shirts was $15,000. Let's assume that this transaction occurred on January 22nd. The first part to account for is the sale made to the customer. This part will reflect the revenue being recognized or reported in the company's books. We'll record this transaction in the company's general journal, starting with the account that needs to be debited, and then the account that needs to be credited. The account to be debited is accounts receivable for $40,000, representing the sale made to a customer on credit or account. Additionally, the account that needs to be credited is the sales revenue account, reflecting that the accounts receivable recorded was for selling t-shirts to a customer. Here's the first part of the journal entry, showing the accounts being debited and credited, recognizing the revenue generated from the sale to the customer. Before proceeding to the next transaction, we need to confirm that the total of the debit column, $40,000, equals the total of the credit column, $40,000. In this case, the totals match, ensuring the entry is balanced. The second part to account for is the cost of the t-shirts to the company that were sold to the customer. This will reflect the expense being recognized or reported in the company's books, aligning with the matching principle to report the expense in the same accounting period as when the revenue was generated. Since the t-shirts were sold to the customer, they must be removed from the company's inventory account and transferred to the expense account called Cost of Goods Sold. As a result, the Cost of Goods Sold account will be debited by $15,000, increasing the balance in that account with a corresponding decrease to the inventory account by crediting $15,000 to that account. Here's the last part of the journal entry, showing the accounts being debited and credited account, recognizing the cost incurred to generate the revenue. Before proceeding to the next transaction, we need to confirm that the total of the debit column, $55,000, equals the total of the credit column, $55,000. In this case, the totals match, ensuring the entry is balanced. In the next video, we'll continue recording additional business transactions in the company's general journal.